Yep, 3:30 in the morning. Let's get after it. We just got backed in our spot over there. Some of the group's already here, like 65, windy, a little bit overcast. So we're gonna go ahead, get ourselves unloaded, set up the RV, and then I imagine we'll go out and play around, see what the day has in store for us.
I got the keys to the kingdom, ain't nobody stopping me now. I'm taking back all of my freedom, cause I know there's only one crown. And you know that I am a fighter, a warrior washed in the blood. Cause I got something to believe in, when I'm 40 days in the flood. I got the keys to the kingdom, ain't nobody stopping me now. I'm taking back all of my freedom, cause I know there's only one crown. And you know that I am a fighter, a warrior washed in the blood. Cause I got something to believe in, when I'm 40 days in the flood. I got the keys to the kingdom, you know I'm living in freedom. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the he's got a plan, all of my life in the palm of his hand. Give me a break, I said I don't need it. I got the faith, I promise I'll keep it. Feed me the truth so that I believe it. Head to my soul so that I can speak it.
Sit back.
Hey, go down there and give that to Shane.
It's freaking out on you.
Throttle control.
We got day 2. It finally quit raining. So we just got fueled up on Brubby's down in bootleggers already. I gave him a sip and he took the whole bottle.
Oh yeah, on your computer. Yeah, type of shit we've been on.
Type shit.
We've been on all that shit. Gang and whatnot.
It finally quit raining. It's like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We had to wait on some other people to show up. Jock and Roger showed up. We got Little Hilliard and some of his buddies. So we're going to go over into like the same area. We got some blue trails, some red ones. So we're going to see what we can do. We got Bubby all adjusted on suspension. Andrew's got a new axle. We got Keegan from Goon Climbers. He was in town, so he stopped out. And everybody else is all good. So we're going to hit the trails. We'll catch up with you guys later.
Hey, come on back 5 feet. Keep coming. Keep coming, bud. Keep coming so you can see the obstacle. Passenger front, right back front. Hey, you're on the right line placement when you start, but when you're halfway through, you gotta hook hard right, because it's drifting your front over. Hey, yep, good. Blast that, blast it. On up, Hilliard. Oh! Ah, shit. Oh. Shut it off, shut it off, shut it off. Turn it off. Keep your foot on the brake. All right, hey, don't put it in gear. We're gonna slowly tip you back over, all right?
Like a bunch of gorillas.
You step back and get video, we'll get it.
Yeah, okay, all right. I'll be the
Ready? One,
video
2,
princess.
3. Keep your foot on that brake. Ultra beer.
Hey, what Jock said.
Two beers out there.
All right, foot off.
He's
All right,
like,
turn your
this, dude. I'm done.
Hold on. All right, turn your key.
That looks like my dirt bike tires.
Yeah, I know.
Right there. That's good.
Up the turret too much. No.
Let's go. So unfortunately, he booped that little rock right there behind him, and it threw a sidewall, slicing it. So we're gonna throw a little sidewall slug in it and get him back up and going. Blast it. Nice. Cut up left. Oh, we're done with day 2's day ride. Keegan's first time in a Razor. And oh, doggy. It's an hour later. We got the trailing arm off. It's bent like a peppercorn in a bat's ass. It's supposed to be straight from here forward. So from here, yeah. Got some early morning activities. You got a straighter trailing arm. I brought one down and the end's bent. Jeff brought one and it's got a slight bend to it, so we're gonna try and straighten this one out. On the trail for like 30 seconds, not even, and Andy blew out a bead on his tire. So the rest of the group is sitting way down at the bottom of the hill, because we're like 7 buggies deep and he blew one. He's number 8, and we're gonna go up and play on the trails a little bit while they go get a spare tire at camp.
I'm out here in the dark. I can't find my way. I'm out here in the dark, and now I can't find my way. Everybody's gonna find out what you've been up to. when the sunlight hits the day.
Hey, who's your passengers?
I'm out here in the dark, and now I can't find my way.
That spike fucking annihilated that beer can.
All right, so we got day 3, it's Thursday. Shannon and Benjamin showed up, Dirt Bike Dave, and all of his buddies, so they're on bikes today. Got a little wash last night because it decided to absolutely pour on us, so it's gonna be nice and muddy, so muddy. We're not even rocking shoes today, baby.
Hey, put up the bike jump. Got some nipple tassels. Thanks, everyone.
I'm out here in the dark, I can't find my way.
My little buddy.
Everybody's gonna find what you've been up to when the sunlight hits the day. Vengeance is mine. Oh, vengeance is mine, says the Lord. Vengeance is mine. Oh, vengeance is mine, says the Lord. What's that you say? Oh, what's that you say? You said I will repay.
I'm out here in the dark, and I can't find my way.
Hey, yo, Hollis.
Down. Thank you. And then mine.
So beautiful.
That's that damn ballerina over there. Look at her dancing.
Yeah, fuck is he going?
I'm out here in the dark, I can't find my way.
Yo, back up!
Everybody gonna find what you've been up to
Back up!
when the sunlight hits the day. I'm out here in the dark, and I can't find my way. I'm out here in the dark, I can't
the start of, I think, day 4. We made it a total of 15 minutes. Jeff and Dave were leading. We went up a blue trail. Unfortunately, Aggie suffered an axle break, as you guys saw. Adrian's somewhere way in the back. He bent an A-arm. Mark Hilliard did a tie rod, I think. I don't know, there's too many breaks, and we're only 10-15 minutes into the day. So the plan is, Jeff's got a 4-seater with 2 open seats, so does Shane. Greg and Dave both have some. So we're gonna push everybody that's broken off to the side. They're gonna run back to camp and hop in empty buggies that are gonna follow them, and then we're gonna sit here and wait. So yeah, we don't get very far in our group, but we have a hell of a lot of fun.
Boys, this isn't a workout for.
We love you. You guys drive safe.
Times and places are all in who you share them with. And it's life, and the point is enjoying who you share it with.
Roger.
Joy is
Hey, if
who
you
you
can't take
share
the heat,
it
get out of the fucking kitchen, dog.
Hey, it's close enough to the You're pussy. You're on YouTube.
weekends.
Carrier to pull it out there like a fish truck.
And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with.
Come on, that was a good one. He's had to put her back in the bag.
Who you share it with.
Now take a drink.
Hey, Jacob, what happened?
Who you share it with. I believe what the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with.
We had a little incident. He came down a little bit hot, and he's on his side. So we're gonna take.
Fucking hot. There was no fucking hotness coming down here.
I think there was. So, anyways, we got Craig. He's gonna hook to his tree kicker right here and help pull him over. And we're gonna hook up Hilliard and hook him. We're gonna hook Hilliard from here to here to help softly lower him down so you don't snap a ball joint. And then we got Shane back there as a backup to hook to Hilliard. Let it out.
God bless Kellers.
Ducking.
Thank